Let's dive into building your own AI knowledge base. This technique is seriously powerful. You know the feeling, right? An LLM sounds super confident, but it's just plain wrong. It happens because LLMs have major limits. They're stuck in the past and can't see your private files. They hallucinate, their knowledge is stale, and your private info is off limits. You just can't trust them. Okay, so how do we fix this? How do we basically give our AI a library card to look things up? The answer is a technique called RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation. It lets the AI look things up. Think of it this way. RAG forces the LLM to do its homework before answering your question. The whole process breaks down into 3 simple steps: indexing, retrieval, and generation. Let's break them down. First up is indexing. We chop up your documents and turn them into numbers or embeddings. Then comes retrieval. You ask a question, and the system finds the chunks that best match its meaning. And this search is really cool. It's not about keywords. It's about finding the closest neighbors in meaning. And last, generation. We hand your question and the info we found over to the LLM for a solid answer. Okay, that might sound like a lot, but don't worry, tools like LangChain make it way easier. LangChain has ready-made parts for everything: loading docs, making embeddings, and connecting it all together. But here's a catch. What if your question is kind of vague? That's a huge challenge for these systems. This is where advanced RAG comes in. We can improve the search by rewriting the user's query first. One trick is the multi-query approach. It rephrases the question in different ways to find more stuff. So you might be thinking, why not just fine-tune a model? Well, RAG is usually way cheaper and easier to update. With tools like these, building your own expert AI is totally within reach. So what are you going to build? Just so you know, everything here is based on solid research from academic papers and real-world developer guides.